As Mike from Custom Cruisers, just a demonstration here how to get the wheel bearings out, taper rollers. Okay, you need a pair of these. Okay, because your race is like this. So basically what I'm going to do, put these inside here, like this. Okay, we're then going to put our tool in here, which holds the races apart. Very simple, as you can see. Then basically what we're going to do is drift them out, okay, which involves okay, and you can see here bearings come out. Yeah, that's okay. The other one, it did actually mark it. You can see here, very clever system, how the bearings, these collets come and hold them out. Okay, cracking bit of kit available from Custom Cruisers. These are V-twin, we also do gyms as well. Okay, if you're interested in getting your wheels powder coated like this, and these are taper rollers putting in, or ABS, or whatever bearings you want, we can do that too. Okay, beautiful metallic. You know, we also do anthracite black, every colour you known to man. Okay, and we supply the tyres, cable chromes, or whatever you want. It's cool. And these are also the good valves which point out to you, so that's a lot easier to use than a straight one, obviously, where you're trying to get the thing on this way, you know. Brake discs available as well. This is often one of my FXRs. Cracking bikes, a Heavyman FXR, nothing else quite like it. So this is now ready to have the new bearings installed, which obviously we'll be doing exactly the same system, where we're going to basically put the races in the same way. So these are going to go in with the tool this way. Okay, the cracking bit of kit, very, very cool, and you can see how well it works. Okay. Mike from CustomCruisers.com, or call me 01773835666. Thank you.